So I'm here at ETG. We recently were involved in the live launch of their VULCAN range of machines, and with Steve Brown we're going to talk specifically now about this VMC 610. Steve, this is quite a crowded market, isn't it, the 600 machining centre. You know, why do you think that you'll win orders in this area?
Well, when we started off this project with a VULCAN range, naturally everybody's after small footprint and a cost-effective machine tool. So that was our main two key focuses when developing these machines.
And as mentioned, it's a highly congested market. So you know, there'll be machines made in Taiwan the same size as this with the same spindles. You know, why would you win the order, Steve? What's going to be the differences?
So one of the elements of the project when we first started out, that we had to differentiate ourselves from the rest of the market. As you said, there's plenty of machine tool operation options out there. So we actually employed ETG staff that are based in Taiwan, that are based in the factories. So they are developing and monitoring these machines all the way through the production line. So from when we place an order to receiving the machine, we have ETG guys represented in there that's feeding back to us and vice versa.
I mean, it was not wrong of me to say that going back a decade or so ago, or maybe beyond, you know, some of the Taiwanese machines fell short on quality, but they've done a lot, haven't they, in recent years to sort of bridge that gap to European-built machines, American-built machines. Is there any differences these days, or are they matching them for,
no,
you know, pound for pound?
You know, you touch on the build. It is the elements that to a machine tool would predominantly be the same, but it's the factories and how they're being managed when they put those pieces together, you know.
Comes down to the staff, the skilled people integrating it.
Yeah, so that's what I was alluding to. And the R&D, you know, so there's a lot of feedback that we feedback from our customers, what they'd like to see as improvements, and we put that back into the machine tool.
So this is a VMC 610. Everyone wants to know the price on this, Steve. Where would it start like this for a linear rail machine?
So this is a sub 50 grand machine, and that was our target to market. And when we touched on with the lathes earlier, exactly the same ethos really, is a sub 50 grand machine.
And it's beyond the 610 as well, isn't it? You've got a lot bigger machines as well, even the double column size, but for this instance you're talking less than 50k for this machine.
Yeah, so and enter to market then is less than 50k, and as you alluded to, we go all the way up to 2.5 meters.
Plenty of options available, differing controls. You want to contact Engineering Technology Group at engtechgroup.com to find out more about this VULCAN VMC, which is currently available from stock.